with toggle buttons. I'm starting fresh here with a new application. Let's start first with the activity main.xml. First of all, let's just remove the hello world and then search in the palette for the toggle button. Toggle button should be in the buttons section. Here it is. Drag and drop. For this example, we're gonna use 2 toggle buttons and 1 regular button. Now we need to make sure that this alignment stays the same when we render the app, when we run the app. So clear all constraints, yes, and then select all and use the magic wand. And here you go. It's set and it wouldn't move around. Let's run the app. Now we need to implement the logic for us, like we press the on for this and off here, and when we press the button, I want to print a toast message that shows the status of each toggle button. Okay, let's go to our main activity to implement the logic. First of all, we need all our widgets imported. So let's say private toggle button, I'm just gonna leave the naming as is. Toggle button -2, and we have a regular button. So button. We need to import button. I'm doing option return, and now we need to link these variables to their UI elements. Toggle button is equal to find view by ID r.id. It's called toggle button, and then again for the second one, toggle button 2 equal to find view by ID r.id. Toggle button is 2. And lastly, for the regular button is equal to find view by ID r.id. Button. Now we need to set an on-click listener. We add an on-click listener. The easiest way is to, when you just say button dot set on-click listener, enter, new view on-click listener. I just write new and then it pops up. We need to implement what happens when I click that button, this button. When I click this button, what happens? Just print me a toast message that says toggle button 1 is off and toggle button 2 is off, or toggle button 1 is on and toggle button 2 is off. To do this, we need to print a toast message. Dot make text get application context, and I need to print what we're showing, which is toggle button 1 is on, toggle button 2 is off, and toast the length, toast dot length long dot show. Okay, show. We need to figure out how to get the text, how to print the text. So there's something called a string builder. We'll create a variable type string builder. So result is equal to new string builder. We'll take the value that this toggle button holds, each toggle button holds. So result, and append it to the result string builder. So result dot append, or appending what? Toggle button 1 is dot append again. Is it on or off? To get this on or off, we do toggle button dot get text. And again, for the status of the second button. So toggle button 2 is toggle button 2 dot get text. And now here, instead of this empty bracket, we print the result. Let's run the app. Now, if I press the button, we'll get this message. Toggle button 1 is off, toggle button 2 is off. Now, let's say this is on and this is off. So 1 is off, 2 is on. Submit button. Toggle button 1 is off, toggle button 2 is on. Let's make both of them on. Toggle button 1 is on, toggle button 2 is on. I'm just hating one thing, the fact that everything is on one line. So to fix this, I can just add here a /n. Run again. This should fix the issue. Let's see. Off. Look, this looks neat. On, off. On, off. Look at this. This looks nice.